Welcome back to Automotive Widgets. Today, we're diving into the best shocks for Nissan Frontier to help you achieve a smoother, more stable ride. Whether you're driving on city streets, hitting off-road trails, or towing light loads, the right shocks make all the difference. We've reviewed the top 5 Amazon picks, breaking down their performance, pros, and cons, so you can choose the one that fits your needs and budget. Let's get started. Number 5. Front Suspension Struts Shocks. The 271102 front suspension struts are built for Nissan Frontier models from 2005 to 2021, offering a wide compatibility range. This complete assembly includes both the strut and coil spring, making installation straightforward with no special tools required. It's designed to restore handling, reduce road noise, and improve steering response in vehicles with worn-out suspension. Users highlight the noticeable difference in stability after installation, especially on rough roads or during highway driving. The pre-assembled design saves significant labor time and ensures a direct fit. Many customers mention smoother cornering and reduced vibrations, making it a practical upgrade for daily drivers. While these struts may not be the best choice for extreme off-roading or heavy towing, they are well suited for Frontier owners seeking reliable, factory-like performance at a fair price. Number 4. ECCPP Complete Struts Front and Rear. The ECCPP Complete Struts set is a full package solution for Nissan Frontier owners, 2005 to 2014, who want to refresh their suspension system all at once. This kit includes both front and rear struts with pre-assembled coil springs, saving you time and hassle during installation. Since the springs are already mounted, no spring compressor is required, making it a safer and more convenient option. Drivers who've installed these struts report a noticeable improvement in ride quality, particularly in older Frontiers that had significant suspension wear. The complete assembly helps restore original handling and reduces noise or vibrations. Customers appreciate that it provides a like-new driving experience at a price point that's much lower than OEM replacements. While ECCPP may not have the same brand reputation as Bilstein or Gabriel, the value for money and ease of installation make it an attractive choice for those who need a total suspension overhaul. Number 3. SCITOO Rear Gas Struts. The SCITOO rear gas struts are a budget-friendly option for Frontier owners covering model years 1998 to 2004. Sold as a set of 2, these shocks are designed to restore factory-like ride quality without breaking the bank. Built with nitrogen gas charging and multi-stage valving, they deliver decent stability and comfort for daily driving. Many customers mention that these shocks perform surprisingly well for their price, especially when replacing worn-out factory parts. They improve rear-end control, reduce bouncing, and provide a smoother ride on both city streets and light highway use. While they may not match premium brands like Bilstein in durability, they are a practical choice for those seeking affordability and straightforward installation. These shocks are ideal for drivers who primarily use their Frontier for commuting or light-duty hauling, but not recommended for extreme off-road or heavy towing needs. Number 2. Bilstein Series Rear Shock. The Bilstein 5100 Series Rear Shock is a premium upgrade for Nissan Frontier owners who prioritize performance and off-road stability. Built with a monotube gas pressure design, it adapts quickly to changing road conditions, ensuring a controlled and comfortable ride whether you're on highways, gravel paths, or rugged trails. Bilstein's velocity-sensitive digressive piston design offers excellent damping, making it a favorite among Frontier drivers who tow small trailers or frequently drive on uneven terrain. Customers highlight the noticeable improvement in handling and reduced body roll compared to stock shocks. Additionally, its zinc-plated finish provides corrosion resistance, ensuring long-term reliability. While it comes at a slightly higher price, the Bilstein 5100 is widely praised as a long-lasting investment that improves both everyday driving and off-road adventures. Number 1. Gabriel Ultra Truck Front Shock. The Gabriel G63813 Ultra Truck Shock is a trusted choice for Frontier owners who need durability and comfort. Designed for models ranging from 1998 to 2004, this shock works well for both RWD and 4WD setups, as well as the Xterra lineup. Featuring Gabriel's G-Force technology, it delivers enhanced response, reduced fade, and reliable control whether you're on highways or uneven terrain. Many users note that installation is straightforward, with a direct fit design that eliminates the need for modifications. Drivers highlight smoother handling, particularly in older Frontiers, where factory shocks may have lost efficiency. Its nitrogen gas-charged design keeps performance consistent under load, making it suitable for light towing and daily driving. Thanks for watching Automotive Widgets. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and tap the bell icon so you never miss our automotive reviews and buying guides. Drop a comment below telling us which shocks you're planning to install on your Nissan Frontier. Until next time, drive safe and keep your ride smooth.